Hi, I'm Paul Mousseau with Lakeside Funeral Home. The other day a veteran said to me, "I'm a veteran, so the VA will bury me, right?" Unfortunately, that's not the case. The VA will, however, provide a burial space, opening and closing of the grave, a marker for that veteran, and a grave liner. This is only if the burial takes place in a veteran's cemetery. Now, if you choose not to have a burial in the veteran cemetery, all of the cemetery expenses, all of the funeral expenses are going to be the responsibility of either the veteran or the veteran's family. Now, again, if you elect to have a burial outside of the VA cemetery, the veteran may qualify for a reimbursement. And that reimbursement is quite small, but it's also paid to the person who assumes the financial responsibility. So if you're a veteran, you can either choose to take advantage of your burial benefits in the VA cemetery or have the funeral director file for the VA benefits that you may be entitled to following that service. This is Paul Mousseau, Lakeside Funeral Home. Know the difference of locally owned and operated. Know peace of mind.